Hi there, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to save £40 fixing this Magnacleanse filter. Normally they want you to buy this £40 canister. However, we won't be doing that today. As you can tell, bits of plastic have broken off into the filter, and I can already tell that it's the collet that's broken. And it's identical to a John Guest push fit. So the first thing I do is I get a bit of card, and because there's so many clips, I need to put the card around the collet and push it in, and then pull it out in the opposite direction. So that pulls out the collet. I then remove the O-ring and the spacer. As you can see, the collets are identical. I'm going to use this new O-ring, which is identical to the old one. And the first thing I do is I put in the O-ring back into the filter, and I make sure it's seated properly and there's no kinks or any discrepancies there. Make sure it's all nice and smooth. There we go, it's nicely seated, and then I can put the spacer in. That's it, and then I do that on the other side as well. Now I can put in the collets on both sides, and they just sort of push in. There we go, it's all sorted. So that's that bit done. It's got new O-rings, new collets, and I don't need to buy a new canister. Make sure the filter is pushed in properly. Then we can top it up with some inhibitor. So over here you can see I'm using Fernox F1. And I've topped up the boiler to 1.4 bar just to test for leaks. I've waited about 5 minutes and everything seems alright. The only reason I'm showing this part is to show that I did change the seals, because there's going to be that one person on TikTok. You didn't do this, you didn't do that.